Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is Wednesday, April the 7th. If you haven't noticed, during all lunches, there will be some young ladies seated up on the table, up on the stage. They are going to be taking registrations for our talent show that is going to happen on April the 22nd. Okay, starting April 6th, that was yesterday. If you didn't see the table up on stage, there were some young ladies up there taking down some names. Will also be relaxed dress tickets that will go on sale at lunch starting April the 12th. If you have any questions about the talent show or about relaxed dress, you can ask Miss Sullivan. There is no DIY the rest of this week. Today, tomorrow, and Friday, there will be testing here on campus. Today, you're going to be taking the reading mock, so good luck on that test. Try your best. This summer that we will have summer school from June 7th through June 24th at Beverly Hills Intermediate. The cost is $65. All classes will be in person, face to face. That's even for you virtual learners. Ways you can avoid going to summer school is go to tutoring, complete all your assignments, take advantage of your DIY time. If you finish your assignments early, work on other things, make your grades better in other classes. Just basically take care of your business while you're here at school. You will not have to come to school during the summer. That is all the announcements for today. Let's be on our best behavior. Let's pick up after ourselves at lunch. Good luck on your reading test today and have a great day.